With Cast & Crew's live entertainment onboarding, you can build your own custom start work documents for your employees to complete. This is a great tool to make sure you are collecting the information you need for the employees on your project. The Custom Document Builder supports 3 types of documents. First, Document for Signature, which uses data that's already in the system, like employee profiles or project onboarding info, to auto-populate a document and collect a signature, like NDAs or union work referral fee checkoffs. No manual data entry is required. Second, there's Custom Data Collection, used to gather project or client-specific information without a formal document. This option lets you ask crew members custom questions, things like t-shirt sizes or tax credit diversity data, and responses are stored and available for reporting and export. Third is data placed into a document. This combines both. Employees answer custom questions, and their answers are mapped directly onto a formatted PDF. Perfect for forms like an IATSE deferred salary agreement. You can add custom documents at either the company level or the project level. At the company level, available to company admins only, documents automatically cascade to all projects within that company. They're on by default, making it easy to assign a required document across every project at once. They can still be turned off at the project level if needed. To add a company-level document, click on the Companies tab, then select Document Packages. On this screen, click Add Paperwork. Name your custom document and select the type of paperwork you'd like to create. For a project-level document, open your project, go to Settings, and click Custom Paperwork. You'll see 3 sections: Custom, Company, and Default Paperwork. To add a new custom document, click Add Paperwork. We'll cover creating the 3 different document types. First up, Document for Signature. Let's say you want to add an NDA that requires a crew member signature. After naming your document and selecting Collect Signature, you'll upload your document, either by browsing your computer or dragging and dropping the file. Click Upload Files. You'll land on the Document Mapper screen. On the left side, you'll find fields that you can add to your document. Things like name, signature, and date fields. Click a field to place it on the document, then drag it into position and resize as needed. Once your fields are set, click Next to move to Delivery Rules. Delivery rules control when this document appears in a crew member start packet. You can toggle options like Send Document to Payroll and Make Document Optional. Sending a document to payroll means it will be included in the PDF export for the employee's start paperwork. You can also set rules to limit who sees the document. For example, only crew hired at specific work locations. When you're done, click Save and Close. Your document is created. The final step is to publish it by flipping the toggle next to your document in the list. And then when you're ready, click Publish. Up next is Custom Data Collection. Name your document and select Collect Data. Let's say you want to ask employees about their shirt size. You can add an optional description and then click Add New Question. Enter your question and any helpful hint text. Then choose the question type, like multiple choice, and add your answer options. Each question can be marked as required or optional. You can also copy questions to speed things up, and even add display logic to show follow-up questions based on specific answers. For example, if we had an option in question 1 for an employee to say, "I don't want a shirt," we can add logic to display a follow-up question if an employee selects that answer. Once your questions are ready, click Delivery Rules in the top tab menu. Just like we saw before, Delivery Rules control when this document appears in a crew member start packet. Set your desired delivery rules and click Save and Close. Your document is created. The final step is to publish it by flipping the toggle next to your document in the list. You'll get a chance to preview it first, and then when you're ready, click Publish. Lastly, let's see how to create a custom document with data placed into a document. This approach combines data collection with document mapping. Great for forms like an IATSE deduction authorization form. Start by naming your document and selecting Collect Data. Then add your questions. These are the fields you want crew members to fill in before the form is generated. After your questions are set, click Next and upload your document. On the Mapper screen, you'll see both default fields shown in blue and your custom question fields shown in green. Click any field to place it on the document. Drag it where you need it, and resize it as needed. Click Next to set your delivery rules. Then save and close. Be sure to publish it. You can view individual crew responses by exporting their start paperwork by going to the Employees tab, clicking the 3 vertical dots menu on an employee, selecting Start Paperwork, and choosing Download All. A quick note, to access your collected data in bulk, you'll need to be provisioned for Reporting Plus, Cast & Crew's self-service reporting tool. Reach out to the Reporting Plus support team to get set up. The self-service custom document builder gives you the flexibility to create the exact paperwork your production needs, without relying on development resources.